Welcome back, everybody. On today's episode, we will be taking a look at MetisLinux, a Artix-based DWM suckless distro. This distro is not a distro that I would recommend to new users. It is a tight-end Windows system and therefore requires a lot of knowledge regarding key bindings and mouse controls. Anyways, I don't want to scare you or anything like that. Just giving you a heads up warning, and if you want to give it a try, do it in a virtual machine and get used to it before you even think about installing it on your desktop or laptop bare metal. You've been warned. The installer uses the Calamares installer, so I'm going to fast forward the installation as we have seen it plenty of times. Also, it'll make the overview of this video shorter. Most Linux installers are simple and straightforward. Even the Arch installer is a piece of cake nowadays. Okay, MetisLinux is now installed and we are rebooted into the system. As mentioned before, MetisLinux is a Artix-based distro with DWM suckless desktop and is controlled by key bindings. In other words, the mouse will have little to no control on your open applications. Therefore, let's take a look at the website so we can see what the key bindings are. It's something we're going to have to get used to if we're going to be using MetisLinux. Key bindings are a key function of the system. One of the first things you want to do if you're a new user is to open up a web browser and take a look at the MetisLinux website. Here you will find a list of key bindings along with other useful information regarding the system. I highly recommend you do this because if you are a new user, there will be a learning curve here. So before we get started, on this distro, I'm going to have to set up the aspect ratio. So let me open up a terminal and set up the aspect ratio, and then we'll get moving forward. Okay, now that we have seen the web page for MetisLinux, let's use the menu to take a look at a few applications to see how the system works. One of the most important key bindings to remember is going to be the mod key plus spacebar. This will open up the menu so you can search and open applications. You don't have a standard menu button on this distribution. You will have to use the mod key plus the spacebar to open any application. Here I'm going to be using the terminal to install GIMP, LibreOffice, and VLC, just so we can look at those items. Being an Arch-based system, we're going to be using Pacman as our installer over the terminal. Okay, that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed the video, of course, please click the like button. If not, then you can go ahead and click the thumbs down button. And if you're not subscribed already, please do so. Help me reach that magical place. All right, and I'm out.